Hello everyone, I Abhishek welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to password protect a folder. So what you have to do is just create a folder. We'll name it sample, and then we'll open this and create a new text file. Open this new text file, and now we'll paste a code here. So just copy the code and paste it in this new file. Now you will see a place where it will be written your underscore password. So this is the place where you have to give the password for the folder. So you can give whatever password you want to give. I am giving it a password passkey. Now go to file and click on save as. Give whatever name you want to give to the file and just type .bat after that. So it will create a batch file for you. Now save it as all files and click on save button. So now you can see that the batch file is successfully created. Now you can delete this text file. Now double click this batch file. So yeah, it has now created a private folder for you that is password protected. So open this private folder and you can keep whatever data you want to keep in this folder. So suppose I want to keep these two files, so I'll just cut it and paste it over here. Now these files will be password protected because they are in private folder now. Now to hide this private folder, just double click that new text document patch file, and it will ask, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Just type Y and hit enter. So it will hide that private folder. If you want to get that folder back, what you have to do is just double click that batch file again, and it will ask you for the password for the folder. Just type the password and hit enter. So this is how you can recover your protected data. If you want to hide it again, just double click it and type Y. It will lock the folder. Now suppose if you forget the password of that folder, so how can you recover it or change it? So the way to do it is just go to this batch file, right click over it and click on the edit. Now you can learn the password from here, or you can change it to some other password also. If you change it, then you will just replace this with the new password and go to file and click on save. So this is how you can password protect a folder. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.